Okay, and also I got these hex, you know, for those for the sheet metal things. The 6mm screws, they go everywhere under the engine for all the engine tin. What I did is I got these ones here, and instead of being the regular screwdriver ones, they're hex. So I don't know why, but I definitely have stripped off some of these. Whoops, so I'm gonna, these I'll probably have to remove and put them back on a number of times, but so I just have 4 for the alternator. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on. And I did put on the little tin in front of the crankshaft pulley, and then the pulley's on top of it, and that is already using one of the regular screwdriver sheet metal screws, but it's not really visible, and it's underneath, and I tightened them down pretty tight. You never really have to get at them, and these hadn't arrived yet, so I'll just put these 4 on. Take off the 2 that are not Allen wrench. These were dirty from probably being under my other under my other engine at some point. And I got 2 more here. The thing that I want to do after tightening this down is just check that the fan still doesn't rub anything in. Alright, that's in there, and it's like this. So let's just see. I spin the fan here. That spins great. It's funny because it doesn't take much. You can just spin it about this fast, and you put your hand in here, you can already feel wind. So it seems to be a well-designed fan. All right, that's that, and that's using these hex screws for instead of the regular